Hello guys, welcome back to Inspired to DIY. In today's video, I'd like to share 4 projects to help you decorate your dining table for the holiday season. Stay tuned for the end result and let's get into it. For the first project, we'll be making a glitter trim charger, and for that I'll be using about 4 silver chargers. Next, I will need some Mod Podge and some glitter. I got the gold and the silver one, and you will also need a paintbrush. Once I started doing this, I had to go ahead and mix the glitter together to make it a lot easier to spread around the charger. Then I went on and spread some Mod Podge around the trim of the charger before I added my glitter. If you're here for the first time, it is so great to have you here. Don't forget to hit on that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next videos. I repeated that whole step for the whole charger and then went on and did the additional 3 and allowed them to dry. Once it was all dry, I used this Mod Podge sealer to seal off the glitter. For the next project, we'll be making gold trim plates with matching saucer using some spray paint. I wanted to create a larger trim, and to do so, I'm using those paper plates that will allow me to nicely spray around them. To make sure that the color is all set, you should definitely give it 2 coats of paint before you move it. Then I repeated that same step for all the 4 plates and saucers, and I actually added a handle to help me remove the paper plate once it was dry. Her third project will be making some silver trim napkin using some ribbon. This ribbon is so beautiful and festive. I'll be making 4 napkins, and for the first one I went on and unfolded it and just laid it flat as I cut my ribbon to size. Once the ribbon was cut, I then took my hot glue and go ahead and glue it around the border of the napkin. Be sure that the glue is all dry before moving to the next section. I repeated that same step for all 4 napkins and allowed them to dry. For the fourth project, I'll be making snowflake napkin ring using some snowflake ornaments, some gems, and also those napkin rings from Dollar Tree. Since I'll be making 4 napkin rings, I got 4 acrylic gems, 4 snowflakes, and 4 napkin rings, and also those smaller ornaments. The first thing I'll do is glue the smaller ornament to the silver one and then add my gems like so. gluten-free snowflakes and allow them to dry before gluing them to my napkin rings. I added an excessive amount of glue to make sure it stays on the back of my ring. The napkin ring goes so well with the napkin itself. I really love this. It is really beautiful. And this finalized our project. Then let's go ahead and set up the table. So first I'll be using this gold placemat that I got from Walmart, and this is a glitter trim charger, and those are the plates and the saucer. Then I went on and already added my napkin ring to the napkin and just set it nicely in the middle. Those 4 projects were so simple, yet they turn out so beautiful and elegant. I really love how gold always complements silver. Those colors are the best color combination ever. I hope you guys did enjoy those projects and that you're ready to use one of them. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next projects. Happy holidays. Bye.